Hi everyone, once again I welcome you all to our English class. We were dealing with the fifth unit, Enlightening Soul, in which the first lesson, The Happiness Machine, which was written by Ray Douglas Bradbury, an American author. So we had gone through the author and the summary of the lesson in our last class. What do you see in this picture? Yes, comment on the mood of the children. They are very happy. Why? Because it may be they are together and they are enjoying the beauty of nature, no? Okay, now tell me, are you all happy? Let's play a game. If so, we all will become happy, no? Yes. Read the 10 statements given in this activity and try to write is it true or false in your case. After that, you have to add the total number of response, then compare it with your scoring chart given below. Okay, then you can find that you are happy or you are sometime happy, need more happiness and all. Okay, can you suggest some of the ways to be happy? Okay, I'll help you. Meditation, smiling, sleep, gratitude, helping others, exercise, going outside, closer to the work, spending time with your family and friends, planning for a trip, etc. will help you to be happy. Because happiness is a person's most cherished goal. But where do we find true happiness? Can a machine serve the purpose? Let's see what happens in this story when a man seeks to bring happiness to all around him by constructing a happiness machine. Let's go through the lesson, The Happiness Machine, written by Ray Douglas Bradbury. One day, Leo Hoffman moved slowly through his garage, which has changed into a workshop for his master craft and novel invention, the happiness machine. He started searching from some wood, a coil of wire, a hammer, spanners, and the like. A perplexing question was forming in his mind. Should the machine be something you carry in your pocket or something that carry you in its pocket? Anyway, the machine should make one happy. How can you make one happy? How can you find happiness in your life? What are the feelings associated with happiness? He went into the house with his dictionary and sat on the table where his wife was ironing the clothes. Lena, are you pleased, contented, joyful, or delighted? She stopped the work. Read out the list again, please. Closing the book, he said, say yes or no. Aren't you happy, joyful, or delighted? Our domestic ones are contented. Our babies and people of second childhood here are delighted. Do you think whether I'm happy doing all these household chores? I know I'm trying to solve all your complaints. I'm not complaining, Lee, and never complain. But please don't ask such crazy questions for which you may not get the answer. Suddenly, Leah Hoffman froze and sniffed the air. Oh my God, look at what you have done. She pulled the oven door open. A thick cloud of smoke whirled through the kitchen. And that's happiness. You talked to me for the first time in 6 months, and for the first time in 20 years, our supper bread had turned into charcoal. From this part, you got an idea that who are the characters of this story. Yes, they are Leo Hoffman and Lena Hoffman. Okay. Leo Hoffman is a person who is trying to construct a happiness machine. He started searching some wood, coil of wires, hammers, spanners in his garage, and he is asking some questions to himself that the machine should be something you carry in your pocket or something that carries you in its pocket. Anyway, the machine should make one happy. And how can you make one happy? How can you find happiness in yourself? What are the feelings associated with happiness? These are the questions moving through his mind. From the garage, he moved into his house with an dictionary and sat on the table where his wife was ironing the clothes. His wife's name was Lena. And he asked Lena, Lena, are you pleased, contented, joyful, or delighted? Lena stopped her work and asked, "What? Read it once more. What is the list?" Closing the book, he said again, "Say yes or no. Are you happy, joyful, and delighted?" Lena replied that all the people in our home are happy. Our babies are also delighted. And do you think I'm happy doing all these household works? Leo Hoffman said that, "I know, Lena, and I'm trying to solve all your complaints." Lena said that, "I'm not complaining, Lee, and never complains, but don't ask such crazy questions to me because I have no answer for this." Suddenly, Lena Hoffman smelled something in the air. Oh, it was the bread. The supper bread had turned into charcoal. She opened the oven door and she found a thick cloud of smoke whirled through the kitchen. She again complains that, "That's happiness. You talk to me for the first time in 6 months and for the first time in 20 years about happiness, and our supper bread had turned into charcoal." Okay, we'll stop here. We'll see the rest of the story in the next class. Now, let's understand the meaning of some unfamiliar words. Perplexing means very puzzled. Contented means satisfaction. Chores means works. World means move rapidly. I hope you understood the story till here. The rest we'll see in the next class. See you.